How would you like to lose weight and spend less money with no travel at the same time? Well, it's definitely possible, and this comes from Johns Hopkins University. I'm sure you've heard of that group before. They're great researchers, world renowned. Johns Hopkins came up with groundbreaking research that I want to share with you. And it's actually pretty logical, but they did a study in 2015, and they said the study suggests home cooking for a healthier diet. And I wanted to share this with you. It's out of Johns Hopkins, January, February issue of 2015. I mean, just think logically on this. Basically, what they found was cooking at home shows that we end up with less calories. So it says researchers found that 8% of adults cook dinner once or less a week. And this group consumed on average 2,300 calories, 84 grams of fat, 135 grams of sugar. Where they also interviewed other people who cooked dinner 6 to 7 times a week, almost every single day. Look at the difference in calories. 2,300 for those who ate out all the time, and 2,100. That doesn't sound like a lot, but 200 calories is significant and can help you lose weight over time for sure. It's been well researched. 84 grams of fat. Now, I'm a bigger proponent of the paleo diet and the keto diet, so I'm not as worried as much about fat. But this is where I'm really worried. It's carbs. Okay, 119 grams of sugar, which we get from our carbohydrates, for those who cooked at home, and 135 grams of sugar. Now, I'm currently on the keto diet. I recommend it for all of you diabetics and pre-diabetics, and those of you who are trying to lose weight. I think the keto diet is phenomenal. And on the keto diet, we really flip things around. We want to recommend that you get closer to 50 grams of sugar, or 50 grams of carbs rather, 20 to 50, so low carbs, high fat, and medium amount of protein. Anyway, I just wanted to get this study out there to you. If you want to lose weight, spend less, not have to travel, cook at home. That's what the researchers of Johns Hopkins found, and that's what we found. You're basically going to be in charge of your own ingredients. You're going to be able to shop for your own food, so hopefully you steer that shopping cart down the correct aisles, getting whole, good foods, and then you're putting all these pieces together. Think about it. At restaurants, from fast food to slow food restaurants, all they're really about is that 5-star Google review, and that 5-star Google review, to get those customers coming back, means you need to taste good. And the way you do that is you add carbs and you add sugar. And sure, you can add fat as well. But that's what they're trying to do, is get you to love the taste. There's certain exceptions, of course, but they're not really into building health for you. They're into building a business. So cook at home, lose weight, cut those carbs, cut the sugar, and you'll be on your way to being a much, much healthier person. I hope this helps. This is Dr. Brian Prax, and we look forward to hearing your comments on this and talking to you real soon. Take care for now. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the content, I would ask you to hit the thumbs up button to like it. You can share it with a friend, subscribe to my channel, and please comment below. I will read it and I will respond. Thank you and have a nice day.